Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize ActiveCampaign with a custom webhook in Zapier, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authorize ActiveCampaign with a custom webhook in Zapier, start by logging into your Zapier account. Next, click on the Make a Zap button to create a new workflow. Choose a trigger app that suits your needs. For this example, select Webhooks by Zapier. In the trigger event, choose Catch Hook and click Continue. Zapier will provide you with a unique webhook URL. Copy this webhook URL for use in ActiveCampaign. Now, log into your ActiveCampaign account. Navigate to the Automations section from the dashboard. Create a new automation by clicking on New Automation. Choose Start from Scratch and click Continue. Now, set a trigger that will send data to your webhook. Configure the trigger settings as per your requirements. Once configured, click Add Action to add an action to your automation. Choose Web Services from the action options. Select Make a Post Request. In the URL field, paste the webhook URL you copied from Zapier. In the Data section, map the fields you want to send to Zapier. You can format the data as needed for your workflow. Once you've completed setting up the action, click Save. Review your automation settings to ensure everything is in order. Now, return to Zapier and click Test Trigger. This will help ensure that Zapier is set up to receive data from ActiveCampaign. If the test is successful, you will see the data from ActiveCampaign. Next, continue to set up the action steps in your Zap based on this data. Choose the app where you want to send the data next, like Google Sheets or Slack. Follow the prompts to set up the action according to your specifications. Once all steps are configured, click Turn on Zap. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.